Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. I don't know the rest of the song. Anywho, it fits. 35 years ago, I wore this down the aisle to say I do, and it does, right? Isn't this so fun? Quarantine's got me all like this, I'm telling you. So I thought, you know, why let a beautiful dress go to waste? I might as well wear it. Let's talk about Aeoniums today, because here in my front yard, this stand of Aeonium canariensis is starting to bloom out. And we know that Aeoniums are monocarpic, but they also branch. So despite the fact that some of these are done, not all of them are. So all I have to do is clean up the ones that are done, that have bloomed out, and the rest will be okay. It is March in San Diego. This is a good time to work with Aeonium. You don't have to fear. And honestly, I could spend hours doing maintenance because there's so many dead leaves underneath the stand of Aeoniums, but I'm not going to go there today. I just want you to see how much better and tidier this stand is going to look when I get it all cleaned up. Oh my goodness. This is doing wonders for my OCD. Whoa, yeah. Remember also that when you're grooming your succulents and you're doing your maintenance and you're cleaning up, succulent blooms or flowers last a really, really long time indoors as a bouquet. So I am going to take my flowers inside, put them in a gorgeous vase, and enjoy them for days or weeks to come. So do that today. Go out, clean up your hot messes, gather up all of the pretty offsets and flowers or broken branches or stems, and enjoy them as an indoor arrangement. This has been Laura Eubanks reporting in my front yard garden for Design for Serenity and your succulent tip of the day. And I've got a challenge for you. Turns out gardening in my wedding dress has been a lot of fun. So I challenge you, find your fanciest dress, your wedding gown, your mom's wedding gown, your grandma's wedding gown, your tux, whatever it is, get out and garden in it, take a photo and send it to me at Laura Loves Succulents. Have a great day, everybody. Love you guys.